How to refund Play Store purchase. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in Refund Play Store purchase. Search for it. You'll be able to see the results. Find the link provided by Google Help. You can see Request your Google Play refund written over here. Tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to request for your Google Play refund. First of all, read the Google Play's refund policies. Tap on the option Continue. Once you do that, you'll have to confirm your account. You'll be able to see the account that you're signed into over here. You can switch it if you want. Otherwise, tap on the option Confirm. After you do that, you'll be able to see all of your purchases over here. Simply find the purchase for which you would like to request a refund. Once you do that, what you have to do is tap on that specific order or purchase. Tap on the option Request the refund. Provide the informations that they ask for and tap on the option Submit. Now your request for refund will be submitted. Now what you have to do is simply wait for your request to be approved. Once the Google Play approves your request, your refund will be done. The refund will be deposited in the payment method linked to your Google account. So like this, you'll be able to get refund on Google Play purchase. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.